Just 2 ingredients and ready in 5 minutes. In a container, I will add 400 grams of cream. I advise this cream be very cold. A packet of pineapple juice that's already sweetened. And now we are going to heat very well. If you prefer, you can also beat in a mixer machine. Let's beat for about 2 minutes, until we get to our point, getting pretty steady. Is already perfect. Let's get this mix, put on the side, and here I will use 250 ml cup, but it can be a cup or a container of your choice, and add up to half of the cup. This cream mine here is yielding 5 cups. Remembering that you can make the juice of your choice. If you don't like pineapple, you can make another flavor. Done that, in a container, I will add another 400 grams of a very cold cream. And right after adding a packet of strawberry juice, I advise you to use the packet juice that's already sweetened, and that makes 1 liter. Now just beat for another 2 minutes. Getting to the point, now just add to complete our glass. Guys, it's very easy to make, and besides being beautiful, it's a delight. To make this dessert even better, we are going to refrigerate and leave it for 30 minutes, just to freeze it, but it's optional. After 30 minutes, it will be super consistent, with a wonderful texture. Do it at your home, I'm sure everyone will love. This was another little recipe here in the Poor Kitchen. That big hug, see you later, and thanks for watching.